Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I find somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finally, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
वजूद मेरा हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम
between us. I cannot live another day without you. Every breath I take and every move you make, I wanna be with you, yeah, all the way.
Yo, now you got me emotional.
naturally inclined to your heart. Let me hold you in the dark, cause together we a spark, yeah. And nothing can take us apart. Your love is like an art, the reason for my existence. Anything I would give up for you. In minutes, you're my life, you're my pure, you're my peace, you're my pain. You're the air that I breathe, for you I do anything. You my Ronnie, I'm the king. Ashakim, my zindagi, my destiny. You my everything, yeah, yeah, now you my everything. You are my one and only. When I feel so lonely, you can make me happy. When the skies are gray, you are the reason for my journey. You are the reason why I'm running. You're my ecstasy. You complete me.
तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
तो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है गुलाम और आप लोग देख रहे हो टेक्निकल गुलाम। अगर वीडियो का फ्रेंड्स अच्छा लगा तो दिल से एक लाइक और प्यारा सा कमेंट कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भी मत भूलिए, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही टेक्निकल रिलेटेड वीडियो लाता रहता हूँ। जैसे कि सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे बनाता है, कैसे ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन, कैसे इंट्रो बनाता है, मतलब विंडो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कैसे हम लोग ऑपरेट करते हैं, एंड्रॉयड के बारे में, मतलब कुछ भी हम टेक्निकल रिलेटेड वीडियो अपलोड देते हो। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। उसी के साथ साथ बगल में जो बेल वाला आइकॉन है उससे भी प्रेस कर दो, ताकि हमेशा नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगी। तो चलता हूँ फ्रेंड्स, मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।